I'm going to go to View, Tuning and Configurations. And then once you do that, then you're going to press App Settings. And then Shift Indicator. So press Shift Indicator. For the tutorial, I'm just going to set it something low. 3,000. Alright, so now it's set to 3,000. I'll go back here. Add my gauges. Alright, so I'm going to start driving. So I'll show you how it works. Drive a little bit through my neighborhood to get to a spot where I can do 3,000. Alright, it lights up. And the same thing, you get to next gear and